Okay, so for this next demonstration, what we're going to do is, um, well, you'll see what I have here. I have some very, very cold water. I actually put it in the freezer and then it was frozen. So it's been um, melting a little bit, but I have very cold water. And then I have room temperature water here in vials. So those have been sitting in their room temperature. Okay, so here's the question. We just learned that when something is denser than water, it will float. And if it's less dense than water, I'm sorry, if something is denser than water, it will sink. And if it's less dense than water, it will float. Okay, got it? Less dense, it will float. If it's more dense, it will sink. So, what we're going to do now, the question is, do you think that ice water is denser, less dense, or the same density as room temperature water? So, again, do you think that cold, cold ice water is denser, like it will sink? Do you think it's less dense where it will float? Or do you think it is the same density where it'll just kind of mix in? And so that's what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a demonstration where we are going to test if this ice cold water will sink and be more dense, float and be less dense, or is it the same density? So right now you need to go back to your Google Slides document and you need to make a prediction on what you think will happen.